doll friends. Today I'm opening Barbie looks number 7 from wave 2 and it's Tamika. Okay, this is a Petite Barbie. I'm gonna take her out. I'm gonna take her out off screen. There, my box is already open and I'm cutting off all the ties that keep her in place inside the box. So yeah, finally here she is. Yes, Tamika Barbie looks number 7, and she's got this beautiful curled hair. She's got like boxed hair. I'm gonna need to wash it. And she's wearing these boot sandals. I don't know what to call them. I love them though. And she's wearing the skirt is a velcro at the back and the top as well. And let's check out her movements. Oh, you already know the movements. She's got joints at the arms, at the waist, as well as the breast. See, and yeah. Alright, Tamika comes wearing these boots, the skirts, and this crop top, and they have velcro at the back. I know I'm repeating myself, but I just had to show. So here's our girl. I love her. She's as petite as me. I'm gonna change her clothes and I'm putting her in this denim skirt that I made. I made this outfit as a denim skirt and a crop top mixed with wool, and I've got these boots as well. So let's change our girl. This two-piece outfit was actually inspired by a TikToker. I forgot her name. I'll put an insert here. So here's our girl in a cute outfit. I love it.
These boots are made for walking, and that's just what they'll do. One of these days these boots are gonna walk all over you. Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, her